Good morning, everyone. It's our FA3 model paper, class 4. Syllabus is time and money. Time and money. Now, see the first one. It's about match the following. Match the following. First one is half an hour, 24 hours, 60 minutes, quarter hour, 1 hour, after 8:30 a.m., 40 minutes before 11 p.m. Before 11 p.m. Next one, rupees 1, and it's a 1,000 pies. Half an hour means 30 minutes. So we have to match like this. Half an hour, it's 30 minutes. 24 hours. 24 hours means 24 hours. 24 hours means 1 day. So we have to join. 24 hours means 1 day. Next one. 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour. So we have to join 60 minutes to 1 hour. Next one. Quarter hour means 15 minutes. We already know. Quarter means 15 minutes. Three quarter means 45 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 1 hour after 8:30 a.m. 1 hour after 8:30 a.m. Now it is 9:30 a.m. 1 hour after 8:30 means it's 9:30. So it is in the morning time a.m. 40 minutes before 11 p.m. 40 minutes before 11 p.m. It's 10:20. It is 10:20 p.m. 10:20 p.m. 1 rupee means 100 pies. 1 rupee means 100 pies. 1 rupee means 100 pies. Then what about 1,000 pies? 1,000 pies means rupees 10. 1,000 pies means rupees 10. So this is the match the following. Choose the correct answer. Next one is choose the correct answer. 2 hours 42 minutes. 2 hours 42 minutes. 2 hours means 60 minutes plus 60. 60 plus 60 is 120 and again 42. 120 plus 42. It's 162 minutes. 162 minutes. 162 is in the option of B. So we have to put a B. Now next one, 2,000 pies means how many rupees? 2,000 pies means 20 rupees. Rupees 20. So it is in the option C. Next one, the time in the clock. The time in the clock shows it is between 5 and 4. So it is 4, it's near to 5, so it's a 4, and the long hand shows us minutes, it's 45 minutes, so the time is 4 hours 45 minutes. So it is a 4 hours 45 minutes, and it is in the option of A. Option A. Next one, how many coins of rupees 5 make a rupees 35? 5 sevens are 35. So here I am using 7 coins of rupees 5 makes 35 rupees. So option C. 300 minutes is equal to how many hours? 300 minutes means how many hours? It's 5 hours. How many hours? 5 hours. So 5. So option C. Next one. 1600 pies. 1600 pies means how many rupees? It is 16 rupees. How many rupees? 16 rupees. So 16. It is in the option of A. Next one. Fill in the blanks. There are how many weeks in a year? There are 52 weeks in a year. How many? 52. If 6 cookies cost rupees 240, then the cost of one cookie. So 240 divided by 6. 640, sorry, 240 divided by 6. It means it's 40 rupees. Each cookie cost is rupees 40. The number of months in a year with 31 days. With 31 days. There are 7 months. How many months? 7 months. Next one. If the cost of 1 liter of oil is 284 rupees, Then the cost of 500 ml of oil. 1 liter means 1000 ml. 1000 ml is 284. Then half liter means 500 ml means half of this cost. Half of its cost. So its cost is 142. 142. 366 days means it's a leap year. It's a leap year. 365 days means 1 year. 366 days means it's a leap year. 9 coins of rupees 5 make. 9 coins unema 5 rupees coins. So 9 fives are 45. So it's a rupees 45. Rupees 45. Round the given amounts to the nearest rupee. We already discussed this nearest rupees. So see here 28 rupees 70 pies. It's above 50 pies. So here it is rupees 29. What is that cost? Rupees 29. Next one rupees 145 and 20 pies. It says rupees 145. There is no change. 3009 rupees 50 pies. 3009 rupees and 50 pies. So it is rupees 3010. Rupees 3010. Next one 45 rupees 65 pies. 45 rupees 65 pies. So it is above 50. So here I am writing rupees 46. Rupees 46. Here next one rupees 19 15 pies. 15 pies here. So it is below 50 pies. So it is rupees 19. Rupees 19. Next one rupees 10 25 pies. It is less than 50 pies. So it is rupees 10. Rupees a 10. Next one all the months in a year have 30 days. All the months having 30 days? No, some are having 31 days, some are having 28 days and 30 days. So it is a false statement. It's a false statement. Rupees 1000 can be exchanged for 10 notes of 200. No, if they gave 5 notes means it's enough, but they gave here 10 notes, so it's a false statement. It's a false statement. Quarter past 8:15 is 8. Quarter past means 15 minutes completed. All the time already the time is 8:15. If 8:15 onwards 15 minutes completed means it's 8:30, but here they gave 8. So it is a false statement. Next one. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Yes, it's a true statement. It's a true statement. 9:30 in the night can be represented as 9:30 a.m. Can be represented as 9:30 a.m. Is it a true? No, it's a false. So it's a false statement. 15 coins of rupees 2 make rupees 30. 15 coins of rupees 2 make rupees 30. Yes, it's a true. 15 twos are 30. So it's a true. Solve the following word problems. The cost of 12 plates of puri in a restaurant is rupees 780. Find the cost of each plate of puri. So we have to find the cost of each plate of puri. Here I am writing cost of 12 plates is rupees 780. Cost of 12 plates is rupees 780. Then cost of each plate cost. Each plate cost means we don't know. So we have to find out that. So 780 is going to divide with 12. With 12. So see here 12 780. In 12 table 12 6 are 72. 6 are 72. So 78 minus 72. It's 6 and 0 carry out down. 12 table 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. So 60 minus 60 it's 0. So the cost of each plate is each plate is rupees 65, rupees 65. So the cost of each plate is rupees 65. Cost of 12 plates is rupees 780. Each plate cost we don't know, so 780 divided by 12, it's 65. So plate of each plate cost is rupees 65, rupees 65. Now next one, Sony's dance class starts at 5:15 p.m. and lasts for 1 hour 15 minutes. At what time does it ends? Does it end? So see, Sony's class starts at 5 hours 15 minutes p.m. p.m. means it's evening time. So ends at 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. So when we add these two timings, we can get the answer. So the time is 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. It's a p.m. So we have to write it the p.m. Next one. Rohan spent on shopping rupees 4,640 and he gave 5,000 to the shopkeeper. How much amount did he get back? See, third sum. Rohan spent rupees 4,640. He gave to the shopkeeper. He gave to the shopkeeper. How much he gave? 5,000. He get back is equal to 5,000 minus rupees 4,640, rupees 6,000 4,640. So it is he get back rupees 360, rupees 360 from the shopkeeper. Now next one, calculate the total amount. Calculate the total amount. Here 2000 rupees are 2, so 2000 plus 2000, it's 4000 plus 2 500 notes. 500 plus 500 is again 1000. So here 4000 plus 1000, 5000, and 50 rupees and 10 rupees. 50 plus 10, it's 60. So here it is 60 rupees and it's here 5000 rupees. So 5060. 5060. Next one, 200 rupees notes are 3. So 2 threes are 6. So it's 600. 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 400s. 600 plus 400 is 1000. And 20 plus 10 it's 30. 30 plus 10 it's 40. So here it is 40 rupees. 600 plus 400 is 1000. 1000 plus 40. So 1040 rupees. 1040. Next one, 500 rupees notes are 2. So it's a 1000 rupees and 50 rupees plus 10 rupees. 50 rupees plus 10 rupees means here 60 rupees. 60 rupees plus 1000. So 1060 rupees, 1060. Next one. Observe the cost of the given items and complete the table. A pant cost is 1800, shirt 1200, frock 1200, jeans 1500, shoes 750. So shoes plus shirt, shoes and shirt. Shoes is 750 and the shirt cost is 1200. So 1200. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 2, 9, 1950 rupees. 1950 rupees. So given amount is 2000. So he get back the change of 2000 minus 1950. So he get back 50 rupees. So 50 is the change here, rupees 50. Next one. Black pant and a jeans. Black pant cost is 1800 and the jeans cost is 1500. So 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 8 plus 5, it's 13, 1 carry out, 1 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So the cost is 3300. Amount they gave is 4000. So 4000 minus 3300. He get back the change of 700. How much he got back the change is 700. 700. Next one, frock and a shirt. Frock cost is 1200 and the shirt cost is 1200 again. So 1200 plus 1200, it's 2400 and they gave amount of 2500. So 2500 minus 2400. So 100 they will get back. So rupees 100. Rupees 100. Next one. Draw the hands in each clock to show the time. 45 minutes before a 12. 45 minutes means before a 12. Before 12 means it's 11 o'clock and 45 minutes means it's 11 hours 15 minutes. 11 hours 15 minutes. So we have to show the shorthand to 11 and longhand to 3. So it's a 15 minutes. So the time is 11:15. 11:15. Half past 3. Half past 3. Half past means 30 minutes are completed in 3 o'clock. So shorthand shows 3 and the longhand shows 6. So 3 hours 30 minutes. Half past 3 means 3 hours 30 minutes. Next one. 10 hours 30 minutes. 10 hours 30 minutes. Shorthand shows 10 and the longhand shows 6. So it is 10:30. Okay everyone, all the best for you and prepare well for your exams.